Hello everyone, I am Erografos, and I was wondering if motivation and love for an activity is the same thing. In the first video of the series, before you even begin creating, in the video Become a Superior and Admired Creator by answering one question, I talked about knowing your why. Why do you want to create? For every person, the answer might be a little bit different. For everyone, the why is the reason for what they are doing. It is their motivation. It is their driving force. But it doesn't necessarily mean that they love what they are doing. Motivation and love for something is completely different. Love can be a very strong motivational force, but motivation doesn't always mean you love the activity. With drawing as an example, it will be clearer what I mean, but you can use any other activity that you like. We have two people, person A and person B. Both of them practice drawing every day for many hours. Both of them, when they started, knew nothing about drawing. Both of them are facing the same difficulties, frustrations, obstacles, and hardships. The difference between them is the motivation. Person A has a goal. He wants to earn a living out of his art. He wants the recognition, fame, and social media worshipping other known big-shot artists have enjoyed over the years. But if he didn't have that goal, he wouldn't draw at all, because he doesn't enjoy the process. Person B doesn't have an end goal. She enjoys the process of learning. She enjoys getting better every day, slowly but steadily. She doesn't care about money, fame, recognition. She doesn't even have an account in any social media platform. She loves drawing for the sake of drawing. She loves the process of creativity. Two people facing the same circumstances, but they are doing what they are doing for different reasons. Let's examine two problems. Problem 1. Two people motivated to learn how to draw, but person B loves the process. She just loves to draw. Person A does it for vanity reasons. Not that is wrong. I'm not here to judge him. Everybody have their own reasons. All I'm trying to say is, if someone takes away all those vanity reasons, would he be willing to continue drawing? Or better yet, if he achieves with his drawing skills everything he wanted, would he be willing to continue drawing? Second problem. Out of those two people, who do you think will be more inclined to give up? Person A or person B? Both people face the same difficulties and the frustration of failure. Both people want to learn how to draw, but their why is completely different. Person A is doing it for vanity reasons, and person B is doing it out of love. Who do you think will continue drawing in the long run? Well, the reality is it isn't easy to determine that. As with most things in life, it depends. All people are different. I've seen people starting doing an activity and hated every minute of it, but after a while, they discovered the benefits and learned to love the process, and they continued doing it even when they achieved their goal. I have also seen people who were excited, motivated, and passionate about an activity at the beginning, but they dropped it because they hated the process. But in the end, from my experience, all the people who started an activity and they loved the process, they simply enjoyed the activity. They continued doing it for decades. So, should you start creating even though you don't love the process? There are two opposing fronts on the matter. The one side claims if you have any other reason in your mind other than just pure love for creating, then you should not start at all. Creativity is a skill that takes a lot of time to be developed, and it can cause a lot of frustrations, disappointments, and anger. If you use any other reason in order to learn how to create, there is a high probability you will hate creating at some point in the future. The other side proposes to do it anyway. If you want to create, no matter your reasons, then start doing it right away. Don't allow stupid excuses to stop you from feeling the enjoyment of creativity. Even if you don't love the process, there are so many benefits to get out of it. So just do it. You don't love something unless you have spent some time doing it and enjoying immensely the whole process. When you begin something new, you have no particular feelings about it. You are just curious. You want to explore this new world. Now, if you are gonna love it or hate it, depends on the experience you will have. And don't forget, love is created over time. It doesn't come out of nowhere. You have to experience all the positive and negative aspects of the activity, and then particular feelings will be created. Personally, I stand somewhere in the middle. From my experience doing many different activities over the years, I discovered that at the beginning I want to explore the activity. I'm just curious. But if I will spend some time with that activity and I won't like the process, I will not keep doing it. I will repeat the activity only if I have to achieve a short-term goal. So, do you need to have love for the process in order to create? Again, it depends. Do you have a short-term or a long-term goal? Even if you don't love the process but you have the knowledge and skill, it is okay for the short-term goals, but it will be harder to complete the long-term goals without the love, because in this case you will need to recruit your discipline and determination in order to complete the project. And don't forget the why. Why you started in the first place. And finally, to answer the question of the title, why love will make you a superior and successful creator? Because the results will always be unmatched when you compare them with the results of your competition. If you love the process of creativity, you will be willing to go a few steps further, to try a little bit harder. It is undeniable that the results will always be superior. And in order to discover if you will love or hate the process, you will need to spend some time doing the activity. So, just do it! Thank you so much for your time. I hope the video was useful to you. If it was, consider subscribing because I have so much more information to give you. The topic for my next video will be about the results of creating to your brain. What are the benefits of creativity for your brain? Until the next time, take care and remember, creators are happy only when they are creating.